Hey beautiful viewers, welcome back to our channel Couture Crave, where you get brand new latest collection every day. So friends, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our cool and latest collection every day. Today we are showing you the latest and newest collection of men's leather slippers and sandals. Men's leather slippers are super comfy and look cool too. They are made from really good leather, so they feel nice and soft on your feet. The leather shapes to your feet, making them fit just right and getting comfier over time. Whether you are chilling at home or going out for a bit, these slippers make you look fancy without trying too hard. Plus, they last a long time because the leather is tough. So, if you want shoes that feel great and still look awesome, men's leather slippers are the way to go. Friends, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss our latest videos. If you like this video, give it thumbs up and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so they can also get help in choosing a perfect pair of shoes. Thanks for watching my video.